starting to cash in on the kale craze. The leafy green is now making its way into products like nail polishes and face creams.
You had to know that was coming. Joining us now, Dr. Doris Day, Clinical Associate Professor at NYU Medical Center. All right, Dr. Day, thanks for being here. Kale is on every menu, dessert, appetizer, the whole thing. Everywhere. And now it's getting into the beauty products, which I guess was sort of something we could have expected. Does it actually have any benefits for us, though?
Well, it has great ingredients like vitamins A, C, and K, but that's already in many beauty products. And I love the idea of natural in theory, but when it comes to skincare, I remind people that poison ivy is perfectly natural, and you don't want to rub that on your skin.
Right.
So what I really look for is I look for science and testing and data, and not for just products that claim to have great natural ingredients that might be good to eat. So there might be something to it, but I need to see the data behind it.
But it is a superfood.
As a food, yes, it's great. And I love it. I actually had it for lunch. It's a great food, and we know the benefits of eating it. But applying it directly to the skin without modifying it in some way, without having testing of a formulation and those ingredients, it's really hard to know exactly what it's doing.
Right. Fair enough.
In theory, it's good.
Right. All right, and also apple cider vinegar. We're seeing that a lot everywhere. And this apparently has a lot of benefits, too. It can help you with losing weight, etc., etc.
I wrote a whole list of things. It can be toner, it can be help you with sunburn, it can help you with infections, it can help you with your blood pressure, weight loss, and what doesn't it do?
Exactly. Well, it doesn't have science.
Well, there you go.
It's well marketed then, in other words.
Okay. Something, right?
All right, details.
There's a lot behind it in terms of what I've heard for decades about apple cider vinegar in particular, that it can help with digestion and diabetes and blood pressure and all sorts of things.
Right.
And the idea, it's not a bad thing. So when you make apple cider vinegar, if you have 1 to 2 tablespoons of the unfiltered, the cloudy one, not, you know,
I can see the bottles,
exactly.
That one classic, you know, organic cider vinegar.
That's probably okay, but you don't need to drink it out of the bottle or have the whole bottle. 1 to 2 teaspoons in a glass of water. And if you're on a diet, if you have 1 to 2 teaspoons in a glass of water, you'll feel full before you eat. That's already filling you up a little bit, and you'll have more control. So probably having water might not do that much different. So I don't object to it. It has antioxidants. It doesn't have vitamins or minerals. A teaspoon is about 3 calories, so it's not high in calories. And it may be beneficial. So I look for things like turmeric and cinnamon. Vinegar can be good too. And it makes my mouth water to think about all these great spices. And we should expand beyond salt and vinegar in our American diet for our spices, because every spice as a condiment does add some value. And so I like that idea, but not to think that by itself it will make these dramatic changes or get you off your medications. Don't stop without asking your doctor.
And if you go overboard on it, if you have reflux and things like that, that's something to be concerned about,
and also I see a lot of rosacea, and vinegar can be a trigger for rosacea. So for some people, it might not even be good at all.
So it's not like you should take it, though, and expect this is going to be the magic thing that's going to jumpstart your weight loss or anything like that.
No shortcuts. It really comes down to a combination of things, and vinegar can be a good component in combination in small amounts. Key is 1 to 2 teaspoons. A little bit can go a very long way.
Gotcha.
So don't smear your kale on your face.
Oh, come on.
And don't
if you
chug
have
vinegar
an open wound, putting an acidic product like vinegar on a pimple or a sore or something open will burn. It won't feel good at all. Don't do that.
Gotcha. All right, no magic bullets.
Thank you so much.
Surprise, doctor. Thank you.